Hi and welcome to this course, Maya for Beginners Animation. Now this is the fourth in a series of courses I'm teaching about Maya for Beginners, but you're totally welcome to start with this course. If you haven't taken the other three, that's totally fine. You'll have all the scene files you'll need to follow along. My name is Lucas Ridley and I've been a professional animator for over 8 years, animating characters like the Hog Riders from Clash of Clans, to all different types of Lego characters, to feature films like Michael Bay's Transformers, Steven Spielberg's Ready Player One, and the most recent Avengers Infinity War. And this is the kind of experience you're going to be learning from in this course on animation. This course has over 4 hours of training in animation, so by the end of it, you're going to have a really good grasp of how to animate, especially inside of Autodesk Maya. There's many principles we're going to cover in animation that would apply to any software. We're going to use the industry standard Autodesk Maya that I've used at every studio I've ever worked at. This course is going to be broken up into kind of 4 different exercises that will get progressively more complex. I hope you'll join me in this course and learn animation and Autodesk Maya. Thanks for watching.